Hey gang, some bad news and a lot of bad news. It's getting chilly. I don't have my green hanky. I don't know where I am. I got a bee sting on my left ankle and I'm still lonely. I don't have very long, gang. My batteries are about to die. If you have any extra AA batteries, please find me in the woods. You can go to Evansburg State Park and follow my footsteps. Papa says I walk like a buffoon. Oof. I've been seeing snakes everywhere. My next nature hack is to make friends with some creatures that will not sting you, even if they wanted. Birds. So what do we know about birds, gang? Number one, birds. Number two, birds can whistle. The best way to talk to a bird is to whistle. And then if the bird likes your whistle, it will come hang out with you. I hear some birds right now. Hello, birds. My name is Gary. I am a friend. One time I saw an abandoned house that was full of birds. No birds. That's fine. My next nature hack is don't whistle at birds. They think it's condescending. When you're talking to birds, you gotta be vulnerable. You gotta talk from the heart. Hello, my birds. My name is Gary. I have 4 cats and they hate birds. I want to make a connection with you. I want to spend a little time with you. I am 22 years old and afraid. I am afraid of what could be. I'm afraid of what will never be. Like you, sometimes I feel like I'm in the sky and I'm going to fall. Then I spread my wings. But I am not like you, birds, and I fall anyway. I am lost. I am far from my home. And if you could help me find my dad, I will be in your debt forever. Define that way, gang. I'm coming home.